guys, it's me Garima Bhandari, and in today's video, most of the people have always asked me what is my everyday go-to routine. So today you get to see me candid without any trace of makeup on my face, and I'm going to take you through step by step my everyday makeup routine. So let's start. So first we're going to prepare or prep our skin for makeup. Now what is preparation for makeup? जैसे कि हम वॉल पर पेंट करने से पहले वॉल प्राइमर लगाते हैं so that the paint stays there for longer time and paint does not bleed or start chipping from the wall. Similar is the pattern of makeup with our skin. So अगर हम अपनी स्किन को प्रिपेयर नहीं करते हैं, उसमें प्राइमर और मॉइस्चराइजर नहीं लगाते हैं, so जो हमारा मेकअप है बिकॉज ऑफ सन, बिकॉज ऑफ अदर फैक्टर्स, इट स्टार्ट्स ब्लीडिंग एंड देन वी हैव पैची स्किन, dry skin, and it looks very bad also in the pictures. So let's see how we prepare our skin. First up, we're going to apply a skin moisturizer. Now you can see that I have completely cleaned my face here. मैंने face wash से, जो मैं Cetaphil face wash है वो use करती हूँ every day on my skin. So मैंने उससे अपने skin को completely wash किया है. And now I'll use a moisturizer to first moisturize my skin. So first up, I'm going to apply this moisturizer. Now these days what I'm using is this day cream whitening range from Swiss Image. So in makeup we should know that how much is too much. Actually less is always more. That's the principle I always follow. क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप लगाने से भी you look like a makeup factory and बहुत कम होता है, so it is not appropriate. So you should know that how much is too much. So what makeup does is it kind of boosts your confidence and also give your skin a very even look. And I always use upward strokes whenever I apply makeup. So as you can see, I never, a lot of people what they do is like this. They go everywhere when they apply a cream on their face, and that's incorrect. You have to use the tip of your fingers and use only upward strokes on the neck. Never leave your neck when you're moisturizing or applying any product, be it foundation, be it primer. Always apply it on your neck also, because your neck is part of your face, guys. Don't forget it. Now you can see I've moisturized my skin well. Now I'm going to apply a skin primer. Today I'm using a NYX Angel Rail primer. So I take really very little in my hand like this. So once again I dot it all over my face, wherever, especially on the T-zone the primer is required, or your nose, your forehead. And I like the primer to cover up your minor skin pores or the oil zone that you have, so your makeup stays for longer time. And also if you apply primer on your skin, तो आपकी स्किन पे है जो वो डायरेक्ट मेकअप नहीं टच करता, जिससे कि आपकी स्किन भी काफ़ी प्रोटेक्टेड रहती है. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी प्राइम्ड माई फेस नाउ एंड आई वेटेड फॉर 30 seconds बिफोर आई कैन अप्लाई माई फाउंडेशन ऑन द फेस. Now today I have this amazing foundation which is my personal favorite, Estee Lauder Double Wear. Now it has a moisturizer, it has SPF 10, so because most of the times I'm outdoor shooting or always on the go, so little bit of SPF in the foundation always helps. And the best part about this foundation is that it is a full coverage foundation without even drying out the skin, because most of the full coverage foundations or the HD foundations that you find in the market dry out your skin after some times, and after 3 to 4 hours you start feeling that your skin is very dry, very cakey. But this foundation is a magic product, guys. It's a must try. So this is my applicator blush, but if it works for you, अगर आपको fingers से apply करना अच्छा लगता है, so please completely go for it, but make sure that your fingers are sanitized. So I'm just going to apply dots once again all over my face. डॉट्स को लगाने से सबसे बड़ा फ़ायदा ये है कि हमें पता लग जाता है कि हमें कितना प्रोडक्ट लगाना है या फिर फाउंडेशन को बाद में बिल्ड करना है या नहीं, और यू आर ओके विद वेरी sheer coverage. That's how you should always apply your product on the face. Now this is a blending brush, so I'm just going to go and in circular motions I'm going to be applying the product. You can wait for a few seconds for the foundation to settle before we apply the powder to set the base. So this is the brow pencil. It's called the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. It's really amazing. It comes in this dark brown color, which is my shade number 6, and it's one of my favorite shades. So let's see how we apply it. For those of you who want to learn how I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, I'm going to be doing a full brow tutorial. Honestly, it's my big request to everyone that please don't skip doing your brows even if you're doing a very quick everyday makeup. And guys, never ever use a black color pencil. Now, best part about this brow pencil is that on the other side it comes with this spoolie brush, so you can just brush out the extra product. You can take any of your favorite go-to kit for doing everyday eyes. Right now I'm taking Desert Dust palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm just gonna go to the color. This is the Eden color, and I've really abused and misused the palette, so please don't go on the aesthetics. Just on the crease, this color. Then I take the color in Amber. This is the Amber color, guys, Amber. And then I just go outwards to inwards. Those are the strokes that I use, so I don't use like a zigzag movement. If you see it carefully, I'm trying to use an outward to inward stroke, unidirection stroke like this. And then I'm gonna go with the darker color called Oud on the right corner. And sometimes I'm in a hurry, so I always end up doing the eye makeup even with my hands. And then on the inner corner of my eye, I use the color Desert Sand. So I'm gonna take this color now, Amethyst, and I just blend this color out. So the idea of doing an eyeshadow is no harsh lines. And that's it. I think my eyeshadow is done. Mascara time. This is my favorite mascara called Hypnose by Lancome. So what you do is you lift your chin like this and you start applying the strokes. Next is since it's an everyday look, so I never do full-fledged contouring for my everyday. So I just take this easy palette which has a highlighter which has been abused and used, and it has a white highlighter, and it has a contouring color, and it has a blusher. Right from where my ears start, at that point I try to contour my face halfway only, not full line, like just halfway, both the sides. I'll be doing a detailed video on contouring and highlighting where I'll tell you the importance of contouring and highlighting and how it is done. Then we quickly take the blusher brush and apply the blusher from this palette. Dust the product away if it is extra. And lastly, I'm gonna take a spoolie brush like this, which is a highlighter flat brush, and one of my favorite brushes to apply highlighters, and I'm going to empty this highlighter from here. Once again, blow out the extra topmost part of your cheekbone. And guys, highlighter is my favorite product, so I'll never tell you guys that less is more. Here is more is less is what I say. I always tell my friends that if my highlighter is not seen from the space, that means I'm not wearing enough highlighter. So please, you can completely be liberal and apply it on the tip of the nose. The idea of highlighter is to apply it at the points where the light falls directly on your face. This is the cupid's bow, the tip of the nose, the innermost corner of your eye, like this. So the minute you apply it on your innermost corner, you look like, you know, you've just woken up, fresh, you're wide awake. And in the brow bone, that's again where the light falls directly. like so. I also go a little bit on the chin, under my cheekbones, and never forget your collarbone. And time for my kohl pencil, guys. Just the sides. That's the magic. Okay, so that's pretty much summing up my everyday go-to look. And I'm just gonna apply some lip color. Look, I have this beautiful lovely color by Kylie Jenner Cosmetics, and it's in the shade called High Maintenance. Oh my god, I'm not at all, but why not try the high maintenance. Okay, so I start from my cupid's bow. Okay guys, this is my very first video on makeup series. Tell me how do you like it in the comment section below. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, guys. Bye.